It's our long run in the FA Cup comes to an end on a very sad way, because I don't think we deserve to lose this game. We have to look at ourselves maybe on the first goal. The second goal was a fantastic shot, and I felt that it was a real cup game where they defended very well, took their chances on the break, the few they had, and as long as we didn't win the first goal, they kept belief. They were physically very strong, and overall I think we had enough chances to win this game.
What do you think the physical aspect and then being physically stronger ultimately decided the game?
Well, we know that before the game. I think we had enough technical superiority to win the game and to score goals. It was down to not make a mistake and then keep it 0-0 until the last 20 minutes. We would have won the game, and unfortunately we made one. Look, it is of course sad, but we come out of a very long run in the FA Cup, and FA Cup is FA Cup. You cannot guarantee that you win it.